Physics, chapter 17, end of chapter questions, question number 3. Part A, describe what is meant by centripetal force. So this is the definition of centripetal force. You need to know the definitions, contained in all of the lessons, but specifically these small things, they matter at the exam. They matter, so you have to be very careful not to write things that are there in your mind. Rather, you have to be specific. Centripetal force is the net force acting on an object following a circular pathway, and the centripetal force is always directed towards the center of the circle. If you write something similar to that, then you are going to get marks, right? So those are the points that needs to be there. Then question number 3, part B. Figure 17.18 shows a toy of mass 6 grams placed on the edge of a rotating turntable. The diameter of the turntable is 15 centimeters. The turntable rotates, making 20 revolutions every minute. 20 revolutions every minute, right? So from there itself you can figure out that you understand that it takes 3 seconds for one revolution, right? Calculate the centripetal force acting on the toy. Then explain why the toy falls off when the speed of the turntable is increased. So 20 revolutions every minute is what goes, and then calculate the centripetal force acting on the toy. Now speed, we have to find the speed first of the object, because to apply centripetal force equation, that is F equals mv squared upon r, we need the speed at which it is moving. We know the mass, we know the radius, but we do not know velocity. So once again, like I told you in earlier questions, you have to write down all the details that are given. Then you can figure out which equation can be used. So here you must write velocity is what they are asking for. Then you must write down, the time, the radius, the mass. So to combine all of those things, you need F equals mv squared upon r. So the speed, first of all, you find speed. Speed equals distance upon time. Then the speed, distance is 2 pi r. One revolution is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 0.15 meters. That divided by, for one revolution it takes 3 seconds, so you divide it by 3, then you will get 0.314. Let me do the question and let me do it, and then you will understand what it means. So first of all, you find the speed. Velocity is equal to displacement over time. So the displacement in this particular location is 2 pi r, divided by time is t once again. 2 pi into r is 0.15 because it is 15 centimeters. Divided by time is 3 seconds. When you do this, you will get the value to be 0.314 meters per second. 0.314 meters per second. Then you use that value to find out the centripetal force. The equation is F equals mv squared upon r. Mass was given to be let's see what the mass was. The mass was 60 grams. So you divide that by 1000 to make it into kilograms. 60 divided by 1000 is 0.06. 0.06 multiplied by Then V is, we calculated V 0.314, 0.314, that has to be squared, then divided by R is once again 0.15. When you simplify this, you will get your final answer to be 0.0394, 0.0394, and this is a force, therefore the answer would be newtons. I hope you understood question number 3. If you have any further questions, please raise them.